Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so just click and hold side power button, restart phone, click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.